Name of the company is AXSVU. Oh, I like it. So as I said, my name is Marc, Landry. I'm the CEO of a company called AXSVU. AXSVU actually comes from the words access point and view, like a display, what you get on your screen. So AXSVU today is a combination of everything connected over the web is an access point, and what you get on your screen is your view. So the name is AXSVU. We live in a world today of applications everywhere. We get applications on mobile devices. We have applications on tablet. We have data coming from a multitude of sources. We've got data distributed environments today, from Amazon to Microsoft to on-premise to off-premise to hybrid. Traditionally, applications were delivered from a central environment. Now they're being delivered over the cloud. They're being delivered over the web. There's a variety of different types, from SaaS, web-based. You've got a future of a decentralized kind of environment where information and data and applications are being streamed from a variety of sources. It's the organization and the management of those that becomes the challenge. Businesses today are trying to figure out how to actually manage the delivery and access to. It becomes very complicated. What we provide is the ability to organize from an orchestration and management standpoint of everything from your ERP, your CRM, multiple databases, multiple devices today, user authentication, and also the security of it all. Something or someone needed to be that organizer, and that's what AXSVU has done. Introducing a data utility service. It's a smart data utility platform, and we're introducing a patent-pending new data flow convention. Our data flow convention is the ability to orchestrate and management these disparate systems, disparate applications, to bring them in to optimize the way that we work and live every day. It's made possible by the merger of two companies. Core Plus has been around since 2006 and has developed a platform for the complete unifying of everything in the IT stack. EPSoft is a big data company that has developed an intelligent process for understanding your information and data and making it available with our platform creates a new alignment for this delivery system. We provide a facilitation, the ability to unify this distributed environment using this smart data platform, optimizing for a business owner all of their apps, whether that be a container, whether that be software applications, video type services, IoT, blockchain, security. The aggregation of those things to a single device is what makes this a much simpler use. What you get is a new launchpad that's personalized to you as a user. It's a virtual device or virtual product that allows you to push, click, play. It's only the apps that you're looking for. It's only the apps that your business is allowing you to have access to. It's the aggregation and organization of those apps and data. It's a big market. The market is very crowded in regards to cloud computing, a word that's misunderstood in a variety of spaces. But someone needed to come in and actually help to organize it. The way it's delivered today is delivered in very silo-based approaches. A platform as a service is a $26 billion market, and the overall cloud computing space is continually growing. Big data is expected to be $61 billion by 2020. So the ability to aggregate apps and the ability to deliver those data that are specific to you as a user or to your business, to make sense of the information, is what AXSVU provides. In this curve, the The infrastructure modernization is needed. You've got pressures from mission critical data and applications that are needing to be delivered to you as a user or to you as a business owner. The growth of big data from IoT, the growth from mobile devices is just going to continue. Today we walk into meetings and we no longer have just our laptops. You see most people using their mobile devices. So the aggregation of applications to that user and the ability to share that information on the screen is what AXSVU will provide. Competition comes from a variety of approaches. The competitive approaches are limited by their sector. They're not a holistic approach for the business owner. And what AXSVU provides is the ability for you to aggregate and deliver those services. We have 16 global offices, for which 7 of them are our offices and service desk locations in the other portions. We've got offices in India, Canada, throughout the US, Mexico, and Colombia. Our go-to-market plan is we've got some industry veterans that are selling direct services to enterprises. We also have some very strategic partners that are MSPs, software integrators, systems integrators, and VARs. Our vertical markets include financial, healthcare, insurance, IoT, and big data. We have some significant clients today. RBC and Scotiabank is a multi-year contract over the next 5 years. We're also integrating a blockchain company today. We also have clients that include the automotive industry, healthcare, and legal. Investment to date has been $3.8 million. Our sources of investment come from some local private equity and Dallas family offices. Our revenue has been in the last year 1.8, and we've got a run rate now of over $9.5 million. In 3 years, our expectation is to do over 20 with the contracts in place. Our revenue comes from subscription base as well as professional services for implementation and big data. Our use of proceeds, there's some additional license development that we want to do, some vertical market development. It's a go-to-market plan. Our executive management are industry experts in a variety of different industries, which include security, big data, and IT services. At the end of the day, it's our intention to deliver a better user experience that is your information. Today, we get on our phones. I have an AT&T phone, or a Samsung, AT&T service, Samsung phone, and an Android device. They're telling me all the apps I should look at. When I log in, I'd like to have the ones I want on there. I'd love to have my personal apps. I'd love to have the apps that I have permission to see. And what AXSVU provides is the ability for you to have a customized user interface that belongs to you for what you have permission to see. So I'm opening up to any questions. We are currently in the process of raising $7.5 to $10 million, and we're looking to do so